Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. Always choose the freshest, most vibrant vegetables you can find. Thoroughly wash all your produce under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Then, it's crucial to dry your greens completely, perhaps using a salad spinner, to ensure your dressing adheres well and doesn't become watery. Now let's prepare our vegetables. Cut everything into uniform, bite-sized pieces for easy eating and a pleasant texture. Start by combining your heartier vegetables, like carrots or cucumbers, in a large bowl. Then, gently fold in your more delicate greens, such as spinach or mixed greens. Don't forget to consider adding a protein, like grilled chicken or chickpeas, for a more satisfying salad. A great dressing can truly elevate your salad. A classic vinaigrette is easy to make. Combine 3 parts olive oil with 1 part vinegar, like apple cider or red wine vinegar. Whisk it well, and feel free to add fresh herbs, a minced clove of garlic, or even a touch of honey for extra flavor. Remember to dress your salad just before serving to prevent the greens from becoming soggy. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious creation. Arrange your colorful salad attractively in a large serving bowl. For an extra touch, garnish with some toasted nuts, crunchy seeds, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs. This adds both visual appeal and an interesting texture. Serve your vegetable salad immediately to enjoy it at its freshest and crunchiest. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.